Although you can learn this jump rope trick with practice, but I've broken down it in 4 steps. Step 1, you should know how to do basic jumps. Basic jumps are the building blocks of becoming an awesome rope jumper. So you should practice that first. The second step is that you should perform rope jumping on single foot. Now there are 2 sets of challenges which you will face while doing so. The first one is that you should be able to have that kind of strength in your foot to perform rope jumping on single foot for a longer time. And the second challenge that you will face is that you should be able to maintain balance on that single foot while rope jumping. Practice this on both feet until unless you get comfortable with this. In the third step, we'll try to form the rhythm. What I mean by that is that we will jump 3 times on our right foot, then switch 3 times on our left foot, then switch, and then 3 times on our right foot again. Practice this as many times as possible, and let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Practice this until unless you get comfortable with it. You will be able to increase the strength in your right foot and the left foot, and you will be able to maintain the balance as well. And finally, in the 4th step, reduce the count to 2 and then gradually to 1, and we will be able to perform alternate steps. So in the 4th step, let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the 2 count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now reducing the count to 1. And that's how you perform alternate steps. Honestly, I believe you didn't need a tutorial on this jump rope trick. You could have learned this trick with practice. With practice, it comes instinctively. But there are some people like me, those who struggle a lot. So I've broken down this jump rope trick into simple steps so you can learn it faster instead of learning it instinctively and trying to find out the ways while struggling. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.